what is the message to the young entrepreneur?
If I put it in the most simplest form, please don't see failure as a stop. Just see it as a learning and a stepping stone for your next step. मतलब you can't say कि मोरा एबे हेला नहीं जो दिया ओके एबे ही परिवनी. You just have to understand, what mistakes you made, what did you learn, and how you will not repeat those mistakes just to be successful the next time you try. And keep trying till you are successful, because it's just one life. If you are passionate about something, might as well do it. And those are the ones who have been successful.
Absolutely, bang on.
Work every single day, maybe just a bit towards it, but do work every single day. Show that consistency. Without that, it's difficult. आज मैं 100% नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ, 10% दे पा रहा हूँ, but 10% दूंगा. That is important.